Welcome to Beautiful Discs. As you can see, I'm wearing my Beautiful Discs camouflage. This is so the games don't trying to hide the beauty within the discs. When they see me, they don't notice. Someone shot my Meet the Robinsons on Xbox 360 copy. What the fuck? Look, there's a hole here and there's a hole here. What happened? What the fuck? What happened to this game? It got completely fucked up. See that? Oh my god, when I put it in the front, it's like everything vanishes.
Hey everyone.
Oh
I
my
hope that
god!
you're doing well.
Oh my god, that's so scary! That's so scary! That's so scary! And the final game that I'm unboxing for tonight. A game everyone loves. A game that people have been clamoring for. They're like, when are you gonna play it? When are you gonna play it? When are you gonna play it? People keep asking for it, and I'm like, I'll play it soon. I'll play it soon. It's gonna happen soon. And people are just like, it's been years. People are asking me to play it. It's an Alien. But you know, since we started an hour late, I think we should jump into the one that everyone wants to see. I think we're gonna jump into some cars too. So let me put it into the console and we're gonna jump in. As you can see, I changed my background, my wallpaper, to be something exciting and new and fresh. We have Cranberry Sierra Mist background.
Pay close attention now. These are vital maneuvers for any agent. Come along then. Let's see how you do.
Whoa. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why is his face like that? Does he always look like that? Looks like he's trying to hit someone's vape.
Welcome.
Cars 1 is awesome. Cars 1 and 3 is great. 2 is a travesty, really. Cars 3 is the one with Johnny Cash in the trailer, right? I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. Oh wait, maybe that's, I'm remembering that because someone made a YouTube edit of the trailer. I actually remember the edit someone made on YouTube more than the actual trailer, because the trailer is him crashing, right? So I remember someone put Johnny Cash over it. That's all I know about Cars 3. I hurt myself today to see if I still should. I focus on the asshole. You know what? This ain't too bad.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
I'm gonna kill this guy.
When you're in the air, begin your move.
Yep. But okay. Oh, we got the red shell. All mine. Yes. All right. I've got the blood's pumping. The dopamine is entering my fucking brain. The dopamine receptors are in full effect. Oh, yes. Fuck yeah. Eat shit. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh my god, dude, this game's fucking filling me up with.
And kaboom!
Achievements, bro. Grab the attention of the Trimaran spotlight. Yo, I'm fucking getting all this fucking gamer score, dude. Oh. Ooh, yo. Telling you. This is like borderline TOS. I'm literally doing drugs on stream. Watch me win this too. Watch me win this. Everyone's like, I'm worried about him. He's addicted to achievements. Watch me achievement hunt and then fucking win. All right. You know what? My time with Cars 2 was brief but memorable. It gave me a good amount of achievements, but you know. Yeah, this is all right. This is an all right disc, to be honest. This is all right. This is all right. I wonder how different this is going to be from the PS3 one that we played. Be Merry, Get Cranberry. Sierra Mist, Cranberry Splash. Wow, 2-star rating. Oh, from that screenshot, it looks exactly the same as the PS3 version.
It's a miracle he survived, seeing as he wasn't armed with any anti-walker weapons. Handsome,
I forgot how incredible the writing is in this game.
Yes, sir. If that's blood, the rain would have washed it away.
Yeah, but the blood's been mixed with a hardener.
Hardener? What kind of hardener?
Do you really want to know?
No, I guess not.
I fucking love this game's dialogue. And it's exactly... Oh, the chat on the stream did freeze. It froze on someone's message coming in saying the fuck, and it's frozen.
Looks like a corpse.
I'm very curious about this game because this is one of those games that came out on PS2 and Xbox 360, and the 360. The PS2 and Xbox versions have cartoon graphics, and they made the 360 graphics realistic, like what Jumper did. This title sequence. I've never seen Superman Returns either. I don't think I've seen a single Superman game. Oh god, the frame rate. Oh, I think we're in for some great gaming, y'all. Look at this awesome screen, this lively city. Ah, this looks like shit. Okay, we're zooming into these. His fucking face.
My son, you do not remember me. I am your Kryptonian father, Jor-El. When you arrive on the planet Earth, you will find yourself possessing tremendous abilities. I will help you to learn to use your abilities.
Wow, this might be one of the...
On Earth, you'll have the ability to defy gravity.
It's Superman! That's Superman!
The music's so loud, dude. The music is so loud.
You can take to the skies at will, my son.
Wow, this might be one of the worst running games I've played on 360 in my life. This is so bad. It's like, it's gotta be like 10, 15. Oh my god, the cape. Oh my god, dude, no way. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Oh, dude, this literally feels like an Unreal Engine 5, like $10 Steam title. Oh my god.
Superman, this is Professor Hamilton. If you can hear me, we need your help.
What the fuck? That sounds like some Uber
Professor
duck
Hamilton
shit.
sounds worried. I should get there fast.
Superman, a meteor storm is heading straight for the heart of the city.
This game fucking rules, dude. Oh my god.
Fight heat with cold, Superman.
Right. I'm fucking stupid. Thank you, man. I forgot. I'm fucking dumb.
According to my calculations, a super speed attack should break it up, but you have to hurry.
One last meteor, bro.
Incredible speed.
One last meteor, man, please. The cheering, dude. Yo! Oh my god, I fucking love this game! Oh my god! Dude, I don't think I've ever had a picture!
And I traveled half a universe only to discover I was wrong. It was nothing but a graveyard. I'm all that's left.
This fucking shot! Yo, someone please screenshot that. That's me in my bed, dude. That's me in my bed. I'm just chilling, dude.
I'm not playing your ridiculous games.
I'm not playing your stupid games. Immediately flies into the fucking ceiling and eats shit. Oh my god, the super speed! What? Honestly, it's honestly so rare that I put a disc in and I'm instantly blinded by its beauty. Holy shit. Oh my. It sounds like Johnny Bravo.
You know you want to.
This fight is over.
Yo, 50 fucking G's. Look at that fucking icon, dude. What is that? Achievement icon. Oh my god, this game won't stop. He could have done that the whole time. Oh, the crowd was cheering and there's, how do I help this person? Oh my god, what a fucking PNG, dude. Now what's this? What the fuck is that? What the hell is that? What the If someone in chat said NFT. I've found love, y'all. I'm glad to say we've found beauty tonight. All right, I'll have to leave you on this rooftop, buddy, but I'll come back for you, I swear. Please stay safe, okay? Oh, hit my head a little bit. That doesn't hurt at all. I'm fine. I'm fine. That's crazy. So this game is like an open world game, but there's no icons on your mini map, and you can't use the actual overworld map. Also doesn't tell you where things are, so you have to go and find them. That's fucked up, man. That's really messed up. There goes that guy. He's dead. This game is inspiring, man.
Another kitten?
Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Calm down, Superman. Jesus Christ. What the fuck just happened? Get out of the way, bro. Oh man. Oh, there goes one of those robots. What the fuck, man? What is happening in this game? All right, I'll leave you right here.
Thanks for saving me, Superman.
No problem.
Thank you, Superman.
Oh no! Oh no! I don't think I've played a game with this amount of lack of variety. This is like shocking. This is pretty shocking. Oh, it's too late for Metropolis. He's getting fucking blasted with fire. 83. 84. What? Who threw that one? 85. Oh, the robots are here. Might as well kill that guy. Where was I? 85? 85. Oh my god. 98. Yes, baby! Ooh. There we go. I fucking love this icon. Fucking beautiful, beautiful disc. Beautiful disc. A wonderful disc. I liked this game. This game, obviously, it became very monotonous after a certain point, which I think makes it even more beautiful because they just gave up. This is a beautiful moment. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I will see you all over here.